we brought the cars out now that you guys can actually hear me, but yeah, they look really good. They cleaned up really nice.
Once again, welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go again. There's a whole bunch of horses and everything. Look at that thing. Yo, that thing is moving. I really like that color. It's like a brown red. Really cool. Ay, ay, ay. The cars here are crazy. Wow. I actually like the Touring a lot better because it doesn't have the big ass wing on back. It just has wingless, and then some of them have the pop-up wing, but I think the wingless gives it a nice look. I really do like the wingless on both of these. Wow. Beautiful cars. Damn. The best thing here, the Dodge Viper ACR with the side pipes. It's on Cup 2s. It's got a huge carbon spoiler in back wing. The other one, I would definitely take it any day. This thing is insane. Oh my, look at the splitter on the bottom too. Wow. Beautiful. That's a whole race car. Cars are looking good though. We have such a clean E90 M3, like, oh my goodness. And some little kid was touching the whole car. There's fingerprints all over that thing. It's got a Valvetronic exhaust though, so you know this thing is actually loud. It's not muffled at all. It's straight German V8. Definitely fun. It has an LSD from factory, so this thing just wants to spin out completely. Crazy cars. I mean, man, oh man. The purple calipers with the purple rotors, are you kidding me? This thing is absolutely mental. Beautiful car.
I'm the kind of devil that, yeah, I'm the kind of devil, I'm the kind of devil that, yeah, I'm the kind of devil that, I'm the kind of devil that.
Mercy, frozen black, or matte black, but still really nice. Gated shifter, or gated manual I should say. And that thing is insane. Goes up to 220 on the dash. Oh, GT350. Super nice. Like, come on,
in which year?
Today, Junior?
Did Henry Ford establish the Ford Motor Company?
Fuck you over. I'm the kind of devil that slime you out, that slime you over. I'm the real devil, that's a real demon, that's a real devil. Never told me what to do, yeah, told me get.
That is the most, like, insane thing I've seen, bro. Like, no way you actually put a mannequin in your shit.
I'm a brand new devil. Look at me, bitch, I'm a brand new devil. Cause everyone knows, bitch, I'm a brand new devil. Working with demons, yeah, it's a brand new level.
The brand new MC20, that thing is insane looking, I can't lie. A Maserati MC20. That thing is beautiful, bro. Probably about the only Maserati that...
Sorry.
No, you're okay. Probably about the only Maserati I like. Just because it's mid-engine and it's crazy looking. Damn. Furcon just ripped out. It's nice, bro. Got a whole bunch of carbon right there, whole bunch of carbon on it. 10 Spider, bro. Crazy. Got the Ferrari, the 488 Pista. It'll look a lot cleaner. But nah, this thing is crazy looking. 458. Not the Spider, but I like the 458. You give me the 458 Italia and I'll take that. I'll take this one too, but I really do like this car. This car is beautiful. That GT350, you know, that thing's gonna definitely crash on the way out of here, for sure.
Yeah, here you go. Yeah, he's goddamn metal. Yeah.
Terry T6 M3. By far my favorite car here. This thing is so nice. Like if I could have anything other than mine, I'd definitely take this one. For sure. Nice.
It was nice in its day.
Still nice now. 2002? This is actually the homie's car. Mike. I'm gonna start hanging out with him from time to time for sure. But he has this nice old 2002. It's a 70 what?
He's 5,000.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's got it. Oh my god. Look at the fitment. Holy. That is crazy. This is crazy. This one's really an M. Bro, what? Manual. 160 on the dash, M, everything crazy. This one really had it though. I'm not gonna lie, the BBS rims, ambered. That thing is crazy. It's got the Alpina steering wheel. Still has like the normal gauge, or normal cluster, but it's got the red interior and it's manual. I don't care. He's still got it for me. Regardless, so sexy, bro. Look at the F50, bro. Oh my god. This thing has got it. It's one of the most beautiful Ferraris I think I've ever seen in my entire life. And that is a beautiful, beautiful car, bro. Like, seriously. That thing is clean as fuck. Coming on that is wild, bro. Beautiful cars. Jesus. That's a Z06. Super clean car. Wow. About 48. McLaren GT. Man, look at this thing. Damn. It has the McLaren little, like, it's got that little ringing. Leaving us. Oh my god. Oh, he's spinning. The Russian. The Mother Russia. It's like, no. It's nice though. I like it. It's cool looking. Kind of looks like a Koenig between like a CGT, between kind of just those two cars together. Which is kind of cool. It's really nice. White seats. Got the McLaren next to the GT3 touring without the wing on back next to the most beautiful 458 I think I've ever seen in my entire life. If I could own one of these, I think I'd own one in easily a heartbeat. 458 Talia with the carbon steering wheel, paddle shifters. Crazy. And then you got the GT3 touring with the satin black rims, black metallic paint. Crazy. The black whip's definitely winning this shit.
Yes, I know that did it right. If you name me the kid, know me the slice, I do it right. Yeah, got a gun in every room in my crib, you know that I care life. Yeah, I can have no bullets, yeah, and I can't ass with a knife. I just pulled up with a bag.
It's on Apexes, it has Sparco seats, it's got roll cage, it's manual, it's got the M cluster. It's an M3, of course, obviously it's gonna have the M cluster, but like, damn. This thing right here has got it. He's got Ted in the whip with him. And he's got the sunroof. Bro, he's got the car. This thing is beautiful, man. The interior seats, even if you put them back to stock and reverse.
I promise, like, and even it's been a weird these past few months, and knowing out.
Convert it back to stock, it still look really nice on that blue.
Yeah, got this cash, got this bucket money on me, kid. What the fuck you wanna pull the business? Fucking yours on me. I got lots of money, got this fucking shit up. Better think I pulled up just for fun. You go where I want, that bitch on top of me.
It's just like a nice vibe to come out and be around other people that are into the same cars that we are, and you know, just seeing the car community come together for the one time. This thing's, I really like this though. I was talking to the owner. It's got red interior. It's got the yellow carbon ceramic brakes. Taking a Turbo S. It's the nicest fucking one you can get. And it's an EV. Already just pulled in. It's macked by bugs, but it still looks really good. It's got carbon everywhere. Carbon steering wheel, all of that, man. Super nice car. It's a 488 Spider. The 2 and the 4 working their magic. The 4 needs to be lowered ASAP. But they look so fucking nasty. Like, fuck. These shits are fucking like crazy. Sorry? Yeah, it's got a stage 1. Stage 1? Yeah. 550. 550, yeah. What do you do that? I think it's spelled with a K. Feels good to have gone to our first show today. I'm really happy with the turnout. Clean body. Really happy with the turnout though, man. The 2 looked really good, the 4 looked really good, and to be honest with you, it's great to see the community come around. I just wish that they would host more of these. They should. Like, it's not hard to host stuff like that, to be honest with you. $550 to 300 horsepower. Yo, he just kept pulling even when I was on the gas. What?